Welcome to One Cup of English. Today, we'll practice the most important airport conversations you need when you travel.
That's right. You'll learn how to check in, go through security, answer questions at passport control, board your plane, and even report lost luggage.
Each dialogue is simple, clear, and full of useful English phrases for travelers.
So if you want to speak English confidently and travel without stress, this lesson is for you.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button so you never miss a new English lesson.
Perfect. Let's get started with our first conversation, check-in at the airport.
Good morning. Where are you flying today?
Good morning. I'm flying to New York.
May I have your passport, please?
Sure, here it is.
Thank you. Do you have your ticket?
Yes, I booked online. Here's my booking code.
Perfect. Let me check your reservation. Yes, I found it. Do you have any bags to check in?
Yes, I have one suitcase.
Please put it on the scale.
Okay.
The bag is 22 kilos. That's fine. Do you have any carry-on luggage?
Yes, just this small backpack.
That's perfect. Do you prefer a window seat or an aisle seat?
A window seat, please.
Let me check. Yes, I can give you seat 21A by the window.
Great, thank you.
Here is your boarding pass.
Thank you. What time is boarding?
Boarding starts at 9:30 at gate 12.
Okay, what time does the flight leave?
The flight departs at 10:15.
How long is the flight?
About 7 hours.
All right, can I take water in my backpack?
No, liquids over 100 milliliters are not allowed. You can buy water after security.
I see, thank you.
Do you have any electronic devices?
Yes, I have a laptop.
Please take it out at security.
Sure, no problem.
Okay, everything is ready. Have a nice flight.
Thank you very much.
Good morning, sir. Boarding pass and passport, please.
Good morning. Here you are.
Thank you. Please put your backpack on the belt.
Okay.
Do you have a laptop inside?
Yes, I do.
Please take it out and put it in a separate tray.
Sure.
Any liquids or bottles in your bag?
I have a small bottle of water.
Sorry, you cannot take that. Liquids must be under 100 milliliters.
Oh, I see. I will throw it away.
Do you have any metal objects?
Just my keys and phone.
Please put them in the tray too.
Okay.
Now, please walk through the scanner.
All right.
Please step back, sir. The alarm beeped.
Oh, really?
Do you have a belt?
Yes, I do.
Please take it off and try again.
Okay.
Now, walk through again, please.
Great. No beep this time.
Perfect. Please wait while your bag is checked.
Sure. Is there a problem?
There is a charger inside. We need to see it clearly.
No problem. It's just my phone charger.
All right, it's fine now. Here are your things: laptop, phone, keys, and backpack.
Thank you.
You can get dressed and put your belt back on.
Okay, done.
That's it, sir. Have a nice flight.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
Good afternoon, sir. Passport, please.
Good afternoon. Here it is.
May I see your visa, please?
Of course, here it is.
Thank you. Where are you traveling today?
I'm traveling to New York.
What is the purpose of your visit?
I'm going on holiday.
How long will you stay?
About 2 weeks.
Do you already have a return ticket?
Yes, I do. Here it is.
Thank you. Where will you stay in New York?
At a hotel near Times Square.
Do you know the name of the hotel?
Yes, it's called Grand Plaza Hotel.
Do you have enough money for your stay?
Yes, I have my credit card and some cash.
That's good. Have you ever been to the United States before?
No, this is my first time.
All right. Do you have anything to declare?
No, I don't.
Any food, alcohol, or cigarettes?
Just a few chocolates as a gift.
That's fine. Everything looks fine. I'll stamp your passport now.
Thank you.
Enjoy your stay in the United States.
Thanks a lot. Have a nice day.
Good evening, sir. May I see your boarding pass?
Good evening. Yes, here it is.
Thank you. And your passport, please.
Sure, here you go.
Perfect. You are flying to New York, correct?
Yes, that's right.
Boarding has just started.
Great. Which group am I in?
Let me check. You are in Group B.
Okay, are you boarding Group A now?
Yes, first Group A, then Group B.
I see. About how long will it take?
Around 10 minutes.
All right, I will wait here.
Please stay close to the gate.
Sure. By the way, can I buy water on the plane?
Yes, water and soft drinks are free.
Good to know.
Now we are boarding Group B. Please come forward.
Great, thank you. Here's my boarding pass again.
Thank you. Do you have any cabin luggage?
Yes, just this backpack.
That's fine. Please place it under the seat in front of you.
Okay, I will.
Do you need any assistance with your seat?
No, thank you. I'm fine.
All right.
Excuse me, what time will we land in New York?
At about 1:30 a.m. local time.
Thank you for the information.
You're welcome. Please follow the signs and board the plane.
Sure, I will.
Have a pleasant flight.
Thank you very much. Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course, sir. What seems to be the problem?
My suitcase didn't arrive.
I'm sorry to hear that. Which flight were you on?
I came on the flight from London.
May I see your baggage tag, please?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Let me check in the system.
Okay.
I see your suitcase is not here yet.
Oh no.
Don't worry, we will find it. Could you describe the bag?
Yes, it's a large black suitcase with a red strap.
Does it have wheels?
Yes, 4 wheels.
Any stickers or special marks?
Yes, there is a small blue sticker on the side.
All right, I've written that down.
Thank you.
Could you fill out this lost baggage form?
Sure.
Please write your hotel address here.
Okay, I'm staying at the Grand Plaza Hotel.
And your phone number, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. We will deliver the suitcase to your hotel.
When will it arrive?
Usually within 24 hours.
I see.
In the meantime, please keep this reference number.
All right, if I call, what should I say?
Just give us this number and we can check your case.
Great.
I'm really sorry for the inconvenience.
That's okay. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. We'll do our best to return your bag quickly.
I appreciate it.
Have a good evening, sir.
Thank you. Goodbye. Wow, that was really helpful. Now I feel more confident about speaking English at the airport.
I'm glad to hear that. Today, you learned 5 essential airport conversations every traveler needs.
Check-in, security, passport control, boarding, and even lost luggage. We practiced them all.
That's right. And the more you practice, the easier it will be to travel and use English in real life.
So if you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button.
Yes, that way you'll never miss new English lessons for beginners.
Thanks for learning with us today. Safe travels and see you in the next lesson.
Goodbye and happy learning.